There is a massive, highly profitable subculture on YouTube generating millions of views by chronicling the evolution of car brands, tracing the design changes of the Porsche 911 over 50 years, for example. Other channels focus exclusively on the personal fortunes of U.S. presidents, uploading financial profiles that quietly pull in tens of thousands of dollars in monthly ad revenue. If you see a channel with millions of views and huge monthly payouts, you usually assume there is a charismatic personality behind it, someone with expensive lighting, a dedicated camera crew, and a magnetic on-screen presence. But a large percentage of these lucrative channels are run through a process called YouTube automation. The people running them never show their faces. They rely on systems, digital leverage, and off-the-shelf tools to build their audience anonymously. Without a human face to build a connection, these creators face a severe handicap. They have to make a total stranger commit to watching a video based entirely on the strength of the concept alone. To solve this, they look past likability. They study the hidden psychological triggers that govern how we consume information on the internet, engineering every element to capture and hold human attention. This diagram shows the two distinct ways we use YouTube. On one side, we have searchable content, driven by user intent, like typing "how to fix a leaky faucet." On the other side is browsable content, driven by algorithmic impulse as we scroll our homepages. Searchable videos grow slowly, but the real scale is in impulse-driven browsable content, where traditional search engine optimization becomes entirely useless. Instead of SEO, creators rely on packaging. This is the precise pairing of a thumbnail and a title, engineered to trigger a very specific emotion, curiosity, fear, or excitement, before you even realize you want to click. This chart shows a competitor channel's view counts. Most of their videos hover around a low baseline, but one video skyrockets. Automation creators hunt for these outliers and reverse engineer the exact psychological packaging that caused the spike. Once they have a concept, they use an AI dueling strategy. One AI writes the initial script, while a second AI thread acts as a ruthless critic, attacking the first draft to tighten the pacing, build better hooks, and maximize retention. High-level packaging functions as a psychological trap, prioritizing the initiation of a view over the accuracy of a content summary. This map illustrates ad revenue density around the world, dictated by a metric known as RPM, or revenue per mil. Because American advertisers are locked in fierce bidding wars for consumer attention, a view from the United States pays up to 10 times more than a view from almost anywhere else. This creates a massive economic incentive. A creator sitting in a small village in South Asia or Eastern Europe wants access to those premium American ad rates, so they use digital tools to disguise their geographic origins. First, they run their scripts through advanced text-to-speech generators that produce expressive regional American accents, instantly removing any auditory geographic barrier. Then, they instruct AI writing tools to inject hyper-local American slang and idiomatic phrases directly into the narration, manufacture native cultural authenticity. Getting the voice right is only half the battle. The topic itself must filter the audience. A video about Cristiano Ronaldo attracts viewers from Europe, South America, and Asia, diluting the U.S. revenue pool. To guarantee an American audience, these creators make content about highly obscure figures in American baseball or American football. They deliberately choose topics that few people outside of the U.S. actually care about. By combining synthetic voices, regional slang, and hyper-targeted topics, these creators erase their geographic borders to siphon top-tier U.S. advertising dollars from anywhere on Earth. Even with artificial intelligence generating the scripts and reading the narration, surviving in this ecosystem requires intense, methodical human discipline. Creators follow a 120-day timeline. YouTube's algorithms are designed to ignore sudden influxes of automated content to prevent spam, heavily favoring channels that demonstrate long-term, consistent uploads. Most people fail because they treat this as a short-term scheme. They upload for a few weeks, see 0 views, and quit before the algorithm has collected enough data to trust their channel. We are seeing a shift in digital media. Knowing where to cut a clip is becoming a commoditized skill. The true premium lies in data analysis and human empathy. The ability to look at a spreadsheet of views and understand exactly what emotional itch a video scratched. The next time a faceless video captures your attention, realize that you have entered a deeply researched psychological funnel